All right, let's just continue. So let's start with the market structure and remind ourselves about the what is it that I need to know the market structure. Ne? I'm not gonna waste time, guys. I've made videos about this stuff, so you just need to make sure that you check full videos on this channel. Ne? How to like a market structure? We need to know. We need to be able to tell if the market is in an uptrend, consolidation, or downtrend. Why must I know if the market is going up, down, or sideways? Because remember, for you to be able to say I'm going to buy, you must know that the market is going up. That's why you are buying. Why one? So that's why it is important for you to be able to know the market structure. So how do we tell? What is it that will show us that the market is going up? And remember, we are talking about the market. The structure can be different on each time frame. So let's just say here we're talking about H1. I'm just giving an example. So if I'm trading H1 can be going up and then the other time frame can be going down. So we're just gonna be talking about structure on one time frame. So how will I tell that H1 is going up? It will be forming a higher high and higher low. So that's when you know that it is going up, and it will be breaking resistance and respecting support. So higher high, remember how something is forming higher high, it is doing this higher high. So this is high, this is high, this is higher than that, this is low, this is low, this is lower than that. That's a higher low, right? So that's what we mean by higher high and higher low. And then now how do we say how do you tell that this structure is breaking resistance? Because remember, the price is coming from somewhere, and then maybe it gave us resistance there. So now when it's going up, it is breaking that, it is going above that, and it is giving us support that are being respected and being created. Right, one. So that's how you tell that the market is going up. And again, it will be giving you what the last thing that it will show you that this time frame is going up. It is sort of breaking bearish trend line and forming new bullish trend line. So you can just write this stuff yourself. So when you're going down, we had trend line, but now when you're going up, we break that bearish trend line and we form a new bullish trend line. That's when you will tell that the market is going up. I think those are the things that you need to know about uptrend. But then now, how do I tell that the market has now shifted from being in an uptrend to consolidation? So when the market is going up, then this is our trend line, right? And the day the market breaks, this is our support, right? The day the market breaks the trend line, it is in what? It is in consolidation. Meaning, if it is in consolidation, I cannot buy. Why? Because we are no longer going up. If I was buying, the stop loss would be what? Below this nearest support. So if it gets hit, then I'm out. So I cannot buy anymore. Why? Because we are no longer going up. We are no longer bullish. We are now consolidating. And how do we then move from consolidation to another thing? So, and then remember, this is your what? This is your resistance, right? In this case, and this is the nearest support. So for as long as the price is still in between the two, it will remain what? In consolidation. But the day it breaks another structure, I create only broke one structure, which is what? The bullish trend line. The day it decides, if it decides to do this and break, it means it did what? It broke the bullish trend line and also the support, meaning the entire structure of bullish has been broken. Now we move to what? To downtrend. So downtrend is basically the opposite of uptrend. You'll be having lower lows and lower highs. You'll be going down. High, high. This high is lower than that. Low, low. This new low is lower than that. So that's higher lows. I mean the lower lows and the lower highs. Right? And the second thing would be what? It's just the opposite of what we had in uptrend. It will be what? We are breaking the support. Remember, when you're going up, we form support, support, support. Now we're going down. We are going below the support. We are breaking them. We are forming resistance, resistance. So we are forming resistance and we are breaking the support. And again, we are able to draw a new bearish trend line, and we broke the bullish trend line that we had when we were going up. So that's just the opposite what we had in an uptrend. So what you need to understand about the state, you need to know that when the market is going up, it's going up. The day it breaks one bullish structure, we're talking about a trend line or a support. Those are the structures, the key structures of a trend. We're talking about in an uptrend, the key structures will be the trend line and support. In an downtrend, it will be what? A trend line and resistance. So the day the market breaks one of these structures, either the trend line or the support, whichever one it breaks first, we are moving to consolidation, and we will remain in consolidation up until the day we break another structure. Actually, in this case, we broke the trend line. So the day we break the support or the resistance, it means now we are no longer in consolidation. But if we only broke one, we remain in consolidation. And in consolidation, remember, if the structure is going up, for as long as the trend line is still holding, we will keep on buying. If we are going down, for as long as the structure is still holding, we'll keep on selling. If we are consolidating, if the space in between the resistance and the support is big enough, we can buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there, up until one of them is broken. Remember, if this gets broken, then we'll be adjusting our trend line, but that's the concept I'll be doing under trend line. So I just wanted to show you how do you tell if the market is in uptrend, or is in the downtrend, or is in consolidation. So these are the concepts. I'm just reminding you. But after this, I'm not going to make another video at the market structure and stuff. So these are the videos that before each and every week you're going to have to visit, so that you'll be able to know that, oh, this is how I read the market structure. So it's fine. I'll go to the next concept, guys.